it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with products or skincare products that I am absolutely loving at age 50. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. Products. I'm going to start off with, let's see, cleansers, because I do switch my cleansers periodically according to my skin. When my skin is drier, I use different products for drier skin. Okay, so I don't use the same products every week. Okay, I have like maybe 3 cleansers that I may switch out every now and then. Like I may use one cleanser one week and one cleanser another week and so forth. Same thing with my serums and my moisturizers. Now, one of the cleansers that I am absolutely loving, especially during the cooler months, I have mature dry, bone dry skin. So I like to use products that do not foam up, do not suzz, especially cleansers that do not give a rich lather and strip my natural oils from my skin. I avoid that at all costs. Okay, so one of my favorite cleansers is by Youth to the People. It is the Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. Let me show you how this looks. And I believe this is $25, maybe $29 the last time I checked. I think the price went up, not really sure. I like it because it has antioxidants and it has the green tea, it has spinach, and you know, green tea and spinach, they're actually superfoods. Okay, they are antioxidant. So they help brighten your skin. Okay, and anything that has antioxidant in it, and it's especially if it's good for your skin, I'm gonna use it. This is a mild lather, very light, not really a foamy lather at all, but I can tell that my skin is super clean. I love it without stripping my skin. That's why I love this cleanser here. Okay, and another cleanser that I like, well, I double cleanse. I use a cleansing oil. This one is by Palmer's. I love this. I'm almost out, but I have one on the way from Amazon because I can't find it in the stores. It used to be in Walmart. It still may be in Targets, but they were out of it. So yeah, I had to order on Amazon. So this is the Palmer's Coconut Butter Formula Skin Therapy Cleansing Facial Oil. Now, another cleanser that I have fallen absolutely in love with. Again, I switch my cleansers out from week to week. Okay, so this one is by Good Molecules. Love this cleanser. It is the Rose Water Daily Cleansing Gel by Good Molecules. Rose water is super hydrating for the skin. Now this one lathers, but it's not a rich lather that strips your skin. That's what I like about this. So let me show you this. Now the next items that we're going to talk about is serums. Now I have serums that I use in the daytime, and then I use serums in the evening. I have different ones again that I switch out. So the first ones that I'm using right now, my skin is loving the Hyaluronic Acid by Good Molecules. Hyaluronic acid is one of my favorite ingredients. It helps to lock in moisture for your skin. When you apply this on, it helps with, it says also formulated to draw moisture to the skin for deeper hydration. This is what I wanted to say, so it said it right there. It also helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It is a great ingredient that I really think if you're 50 and above that you really need to have hyaluronic acid into your daily regimen. Love this. Okay, and this one is by Good Molecules. Very affordable but very effective as well. I'm going to show you now is my vitamin C. This is a new vitamin C from Timeless Skincare. It is 20% vitamin C, ferulic acid, and vitamin E. I use this first, then I go in with my hyaluronic acid. Okay, so vitamin C is an antioxidant as well. It helps brighten the skin. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. I love this. It contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that evens the skin tone and helps build collagen. Also contains vitamin E and ferulic acid. Now the last serum that I use, I've been using a lot lately during the daytime, and like I said, this this little routine may switch up, and it does switch up quite often, all the time. So the next one I'm using is by, again, Good Molecules. It is niacinamide. It helps to refine skin textures. It helps with, like, if you have breakouts, it helps with scarring and uneven skin tones, things like that. Now I love this, especially, you know, when you have your monthly and you may get some little breakouts on your skin or on your face. You want to use something to help diminish that, okay, to even the skin tone. This is what niacinamide does. Let's see, let me read this and see what it says. It says, formulated with 10% niacinamides to refine skin texture and minimize pores, okay? So yes, you can use this also day and night, but I choose to use this during the daytime. It just works better for me because I have products that I use at night, and we're going to get to them in a few. One day out of the week, I do nothing but cleanse my skin, and this is at night. I cleanse my skin, and then I just apply a oil to my skin. Once a week I do that because sometimes I believe your skin needs a break from products, okay? And at nighttime I do that. This is by Harde. It is the Brilliance Facial Oil, okay? I like the way this oil moisturizes my skin. It just kind of, it gives my skin a break, and it still helps to add a moisture element to my skin. Like facial oils, okay? So I have lots of facial oils, but this one in particular right now, I just like to use at this moment. This oil absorbs into my skin. It doesn't just lay there. You know how some oil you apply it and just lay there and your face feels greasy? This one does not. This one actually absorbs into my skin and keeps my skin feeling hydrated and soft, and it's a great way where you just cleanse your skin and apply your oil. So yes, I'm loving this. Again, this is by Harde. I think I did a video on my nighttime regimen, and I'm still using this by Biossance, and it is the Squalane Lactate Resurfacing Night Serum. I do not use this nightly. I use this maybe twice, 2 times a week. It is a lactic acid, okay? So I don't like to use this, and it's a resurfacing serum, so I don't use this every night. This is a facial serum, exfoliates skin overnight. It exfoliates the skin overnight, basically, and removes all that dead layer of dry skin that you may have surfacing on your skin. And that can cause, you know, when you have layers of dead skin on your face, it can cause dullness and make your skin appear lifeless. So I always like to exfoliate, and if you do not exfoliate at least, you know, once or twice a week, you can use a resurfacing serum. They actually help to keep that dead layer of skin, especially if you have sensitive skin and you want to use something without the harshness, you know, because sometimes exfoliating the granules, and if you are not used to chemical exfoliants, like I love chemical exfoliants, then you may want to use a resurfacing night serum that helps exfoliate your skin overnight. And I like this one. This one is a really great one by Biossance. Another resurfacing night cream. If I use one week, I use this one the next week, okay? And this is by Pharmacy, the Honeymoon Glow. I talk about this one a lot. I love this one. It is a resurfacing night serum as well, and this one actually tells you to use it, I think they say 3 times a week, and I may use this one 3 times a week or 2 times, just according to how my skin feels during that week, okay? The last serum that I use at night, I've been using lately, and I love it. One of my favorite products, always have been, probably always will be, and it is the Advanced Night Repair by Estee Lauder. I love this serum. This serum is one of the staples in my nighttime regimen. It will always be. I do not use it every night or all the time, like I said, but I do interchange this product out quite often because I love it so much, okay? It says a nighttime recovery complex serum, okay? I love Estee Lauder product. I always like the way my skin look in the morning when I use this. It just looks rejuvenated and looks a little plumper, seem like a little fuller. I just like it. Always notice a difference when I use this. A little pricey, but so worth it to me. Coming up to some of the last products, okay? We're doing eye creams and moisturizers. I hear a lot of people say that eye creams are not necessary. Well, they are to me. I love eye creams. Okay? I use eye creams according to how my eyes are looking and feeling during that day, okay? So one day I may use the eye brightening one by Inky List, okay? This brightens if my eyes look dull and it just looks like it needs a little lift to be brightened. It may have a bit dark around this area, so sometimes I need a brightening cream, and this is by Inky List. It's so affordable. I think this is like maybe $4 or $5, 10 at the most, but I don't think it's that much either. But anyway, I like this brightening cream. It does brighten the under eye area. You have to use it consistently, okay? So it doesn't happen immediately. If I have dark circles, I have dark circles for a couple of days, and I use this a couple of days and see this go away, okay? So I like this by the Inky List. And this one right here, if my under eyes are really dry and I need something to really hydrate that under eye, I use this Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid. I love this, and it actually works. My under eyes feel hydrated every time I use this, and it's great for under your concealer. Love this. This is one of my favorite, and this is by Cetaphil. Love it, love it, love it. This is a newer eye cream, and I've been using it ever since, and this is by Good Molecules. It's called the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I think Yerba Mate. It does make your eyes look more awake. It brightens it up to me. Good Molecules sent this to me, and I've been using it. I just love it. So yeah, let me see. Formulated to help revitalize and energize the eye area. You know, like coffee. I have them coffee eye patches that I use by Good Molecules, and I love them. Well, this seems like it does the same thing but quicker during the daytime. If you wake up and you need just something to really revitalize your eyes, this is something that works immediately to me. It just I don't know, just makes you look awake, you know. Okay, hopefully this video is not super long, but this is the last products, and I'm coming down to moisturizers. Some of my favorite moisturizers, of course, this is one of my favorite Pond's. You guys notice I do not have to tell you this if you've been with me any length of time. Pond's for dry skin and extra dry skin Pond's. My favorite. Love this. Don't have to show it to you. You see it all the time, but yes. Always love this. This is always in my skincare regimen. Always. Ooh. Another moisturizer that I use at night. I just like the way my skin feels when I use this. And it's the Squalane Omega Repair Cream, Moisturizing Face Cream by Biossance. This is it right here. I like this. It has squalane in it. It really helps to hydrate my skin. It hydrates thoroughly, okay? I love to use this at night. If you have dry skin, yes, you would love this. You can use this morning and night. I've been using this sucker. The next moisturizer now, and I have one on the way because I do like it just that much, okay? And I use this in the daytime. And this is the JLo Beauty. What is this one called? That Blockbuster Wonder Cream Miracle. I like this. I did a review on the JLo Beauty. I like the way it makes my skin feel. I like how hydrated it feels. I just love everything about this moisturizer. Kind of reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer without that bad smell. I love Charlotte Tilbury products, but that moisturizer, it did feel great on my skin, but I couldn't take that the way it smelled. It didn't have it had more of a permy type smell to it. Anyway, I'm talking about this one. But yes, this, I like it. I like this moisturizer a lot. That is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful. And you know, I know when you get older, your skin changes. My skin changes a lot. And we have to learn to change with the change. And it's okay. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate it. If you like these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on the way out if you haven't done so already. And thank you so very much for just taking time out of your day to watch me. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.